Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all, we getting to the most important part of the Thanksgiving. It's the turkey. But y'all know I do not like turkey. I do not like it. I don't want to eat it. But I will eat a turkey if I cook it or somebody cook it the way I'm about to do it. Most people that cook turkey, they're overcooking it dry. That's what turned me off from turkey. Dry is tasteless. And turkey is an animal, item that's preferably it's just traditionally just flavorless. If you don't know how to cook it, it's one thing, it just has no natural nothing to it. That's why people say if you want to eat healthy, eat turkey. There's nothing in it just gonna be bad. I can't stand turkey. But I will eat turkey if they cook it like this and roast it like this. But it's two simple ways to do it. Y'all have done this. Y'all been following me long enough and took my advice. Y'all still emailing me to the day. That's the most delicious turkey, juiciest turkey ever had. This is the most important thing to do for your Thanksgiving turkey. We're going to do the turkey brine today, and we're doing the herb butter. The two different things. I'm going to put it in one video. So it's very simple to make. Two simple ingredients going to make a game changer. Turkey brine. A brine has two things in it you must have in it to make a brine. You need some acidity and you need salt. Those two items you must have in a brine to make it work and make it penetrate the bird. I'm using oranges. You can use, if you want to use lemons, you can. Grapefruit, you can. But oranges is more festive and more better flavor, I found out. And then salt. You can use kosher salt, regular table salt, any kind of salt you want. You can use canning salt you want to. Any kind of salt. But if you're washing all this off later. But when you brine your turkey, as I got in the description, make sure you brine it no more than 24 hours. I'm going to brine this turkey I have for 24 hours. And the recipe I have here is all the way up to a 20-pound turkey. So if you got a 10-pound, 15-pound, this recipe will cover a 20-pound turkey. Totally submerged in the brine. But like I say, you must have acidity, you must have salt in the brine. Of course, water too in the brine. Very simple. I'm going to put all this stuff in the pot, bring it to a boil, cut it off, let it cool, put your turkey in this brine. That's it. Do not brine your turkey more than 24 hours because what happens, you're going to get such of a orange. It's going to start taking like oranges and all this stuff. You don't want that. No more. I always do mine 24 hours, but no more than 24 hours. Don't do it 2 or 3 days ahead of time because your turkey going to taste like orange juice or whatever acidity you have in it. It's going to taste like that. But after 24 hours, it's perfect. So anyway, I got some herbs. I like to put more fresh. Y'all know what I mean. Fresh herbs. Don't use no dry herbs for this. You're going to have no flavor. I use fresh rosemary. You don't have to chop it. You don't have to pick it. You don't have to do nothing. We're going to put it in like that. Bay leaves and some peppercorn. Don't use regular. What happened? I'm going to tell you another thing. Peppercorn. Don't use table black pepper and all that. Because what's going to happen when you submerge this into the brine, you're going to be trying to get all that black pepper specks and all that off the turkey later on, and it ain't going to work. Use some just whole black peppercorn. They'll definitely work. It'll penetrate the turkey. And like I say, bay leaves. So what we're going to do, it's very simple, y'all. I'm going to take a pot here. I got a gallon pot. Matter of fact, this is 2 gallons. Oranges in there. My herbs in there. Salt. Peppercorn. Bay leaves. We're about to fill this thing up with water, y'all. How easy is that? That's the easiest recipe you ever made. We're going to fill it up with water. We're going to let it come to a complete boil. Once it comes to a boil, you're going to turn it off and forget about it. That's all you need to do, and let it cool completely. And then don't put your turkey in there when it's hot. Some people do that. No. Make sure it completely cool. Just let it cool on top of your stove, on top of your counter. Get completely cool. Do it early in the morning the day before. And let it cool all day and put your turkey in there. The best thing to do, that's why I'm putting this video out early, y'all. The best thing to do is to do this. Thanksgiving's on the Thursday. This video is coming out Friday. But the Thanksgiving is, we'll say your Thanksgiving's on Thursday. So you're going to take your turkey and have it already thawed out, probably no later than Monday. You're going to make your brine on Tuesday. Make your brine on Tuesday. Let it sit early in the morning. Let it set out or whatever. And put your turkey in there Wednesday morning at the latest. Wednesday morning. Put your turkey in the brine Wednesday. And then Thanksgiving morning, it don't take but 3 hours to cook a turkey. Thanksgiving morning, you cook the turkey. I like to tell people, cook the turkey the day of. Don't cook it the day before, if possible, because you're just going to have a different experience if you cook it the day of. So brine your turkey that Wednesday morning and let it sit in there all day and all night. Thursday morning, you take it out, get your turkey all baked. I'm going to show you the process anyway, how to do the turkey. I'm not going to show you the process putting the turkey in the turkey brine. I'm going to show you, next video you see me doing with a turkey, it's going to be coming out of the brine. But take it out of there Thursday morning, get it all patted down. You're going to put this herb butter on there, what I'm about to show you in just a second. I'm going to show the herb butter. You're going to rub it on there. You're going to bake this turkey in the oven 3 to 4 hours. You're going to have the most delicious, I promise you. Everybody's still talking about turkey that does this. You're going to have the most juicy, flavorful turkey you ever eaten. And I don't eat turkey. I only eat it like this. And at my job, I would only eat turkey when it's fresh out the oven. After that, I don't want it. I don't want it next day. I don't want no leftover turkeys or whatever. I'm going to show you, too, also what to do with leftover turkeys, too, in the next week after Thanksgiving. I'm going to show you what you do with that leftover turkey. So, anyway, let this come to a boil. I'm going to cover this. I'm going to let it come to a boil. I'm going to come back when it comes to a boil. I'm going to show you how it looks. Just cut it off and let it sit on your stove with your counter. And don't worry about it. It can sit for 24 hours on your stove if you have to. It's nothing in it to make it spoil. Nothing make it go rancid, nothing like that. It can sit out there just to keep it covered. And then you put your turkey in. So anyway, we'll be back. We're going to make this herb butter, which is even quicker than the turkey brine. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. And like I promised y'all before I left, turkey brine is boiling right now on the stove, so I ain't worried about that. It ain't boiling, I'm sorry. It ain't boiling yet. It's getting ready to boil. So while I'm waiting on that, and another thing, you can do this exactly what I'm doing too. When you make the turkey brine, you got it boiling, you're going to make your old school herb butter. This is what you're going to rub on your turkey before you put it in the oven, and this is what you're going to baste your turkey with. So your turkey going to be seasoned from the inside to the outside. You're going to have that nice juicy flavor inside. You're going to have that nice buttery herbal taste on the outside for what I'm about to show you here. Very simple, y'all. Very easy. What I'm about to do, you gotta pound the butter here. Not a pound, I'm sorry. It's 2 sticks. Really, it's 2.5 sticks, y'all. I had a stick already open. I added that on in there. And make sure the butter is room temperature. Put some parsley in here. Say what I say, tablespoon on the recipe. And this is chopped thyme. So all it is chopped thyme, chopped parsley, chopped rosemary, y'all. Fresh, make sure it's fresh. We're gonna hit it with this mixer. I got to get to the sink with this, so I got to get this butter off the beaters. Just a second. And I don't want butter going all over my counter. Okay. Take these beaters out of here. 1 second, y'all. We got where I put stuff. Okay, I know where it is. Alright, got a little bowl here. And that's it, y'all. We're going to put this right in the fridge until we need it. And then the day of Thanksgiving morning, you're going to pull it out. Matter of fact, pull this out the night before so it can get room temperature. Because it definitely needs to be room temperature, y'all, before you can use it. You're going to get all that good herbs off of there, y'all. That's all valuable stuff there. Okay. Take this, y'all. Put in your bowl right there. And this is enough, like I say, this is enough for a 20-pound turkey. And this is going to go a long way because what it is, you're going to be basting your turkey with this as it's cooking, as it melts, which I'm going to show y'all that too when I'm cooking the actual turkey video, how you going to baste this with the as it's melting. Get this all up in here. And that's it, y'all. Very simple herb butter. This is a game changer. And I use salted butter too, y'all. A lot of people gonna ask, yeah. Make sure you use salted butter. If you don't have salted butter, make sure you put maybe a half a teaspoon of salt in here. Because you definitely want it to be flavorful. The butter to be flavorful. So anyway, y'all, we will be back here. Probably about 10-15 minutes once this boils. And we're gonna close this video out about this herb butter and turkey brine. So we'll be right back. Alright, y'all, we back. See that? It's boiling. All I'm gonna do is cut it off and let it do its thing. That's all you want to do, y'all. How simple is that? And let it just cool down on its own. Don't put it in the fridge, nothing. Just let it sit on the counter, on the stove or whatever. Put it on the counter. If you're using your stove, you want it to cool down completely. And that's it. Just a simple turkey brine, y'all. Nothing hard, but I'm telling you, this is a game changer for your turkey. So, anyway, y'all, I'm going to close the video right here in front of the pot because there's nothing else to do in this video. You got the herb butter, like I say, right here. That's the 2 important ingredients for your turkey. So, I'm going to close this video. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe, please follow my other social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2022, helping others with a purpose. Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.